Okay, I just wanted to make this quick video because the way that Salcon does it in the video that I had you guys do for part B is different than how I've taught you to find the vertex in class. So I'm just going to show you how we can get the exact same results by doing the vertex the way that we have found. So remember, the vertex is the maximum. So let's just make a little side note. The vertex is what's going to give us the max or minimum, but in this situation it's about the maximum. And remember, the vertex is H and K, and so remember the K value, that is the maximum, and the H value, that's just where the max happens. So where, or maybe when, the max occurs. Okay, so now that we've clarified that, let's see, what are they talking about? When they say what is the maximum, well, they're really talking about that K value, right? And we've never found the K value without first finding the H value. So the first thing I want you to do is find that H value. And I actually taught you 2 ways to find H. So I'm going to use both of them right here because they're both pretty easy. The first way I told you was you could find H by doing the negative B over 2A. The other way is that I said you could take the average of your 2 zeros. And I'm assuming you already watched the other video, and in the other video we found out that the zeros are when r equals 0 and when r equals 4. So I could do 0 plus 4 and divide it by 2. That would give me 4 over 2, which gives me 2. If I did negative B over 2A, I'd have to first get this equation, which remember I said there's a typo, into standard form. So, and he did this in the video as well, but let's just do it together here real quick. If I got this in standard form, all I'd have to do is distribute that negative r, and I'd end up with a negative r squared plus 4r, because a negative times a negative is positive. Okay, from here we should be able to tell what our B and our A is. There's no C value, but that's okay. The B is 4, so negative 4 over 2 times the A value. Well, the A value is this negative 1 right there. Okay, so we could find the H value by using that equation as well, and we find out that negative 4 over negative 2 is still positive 2. So either way, we get 2 for our H value, which is the same thing Mr. Khan got in his video, but I just wanted to show you that since we've been doing this kind of a different way, I want to show you you could still do it this way and get the same thing. All right, remember, now you need to find your K value. So K is really like saying F of H, but in this situation it's not F, it's M. So I'm going to say it's M of H. So to find K, I take the H value, which I know to be 2, and I plug it into this function. So K equals M of 2, which is, I'm just looking at this equation right here, it's simply negative 2 times 2 minus 4. So K equals negative 2 times negative 2, so K equals positive 4. So that, remember, the K value is your max, or it could be a min if this question was asking about a min, but it's not. So the K value is your max, and the H is where that occurs. So when they say, what is the maximum number of mosquitoes? Well, it's 4, but remember in the original equation that the M here represents mosquitoes in millions, so it's actually 4 million. So we could say the max is 4 million mosquitoes. And now the beautiful thing about this, for the next part of the question, it's asking us something we already have the answer to, because it's saying after how many centimeters of rainfall will the maximum number of mosquitoes occur. Basically they're saying when will the maximum occur. Well, we already know that that's H, so that's at 2, and since they told us that our R is measured in centimeters, we know that H equals 2 centimeters is when the maximum occurs. So after how many centimeters of rainfall will the maximum number of mosquitoes occur? It's at 2 centimeters. That's it. Just wanted to show you the alternative way of doing that. Thought it might be helpful. See you guys on the next video.